iMesh not connecting, nodes dropping, slow speed even after setup. It is frustrating, but these problems are very common, and you can fix them easily with the right steps. First, understand this. Most AiMesh problems come from firmware, placement, or setup mistakes. Now let's fix them step by step. Step 1. AiMesh node not detected. This is the most common issue. Fix: reset the secondary router. Press and hold reset button for 10 seconds. Place routers close. Around 3 to 5 feet, update firmware on both routers. Go to Settings, then go to Administration, then go to Firmware Upgrade, then select Check. Please show the iMesh search screen now. Step 2. Node disconnecting frequently. This happens due to weak signal. Fix: move the node closer to the main router. Avoid thick walls and metal objects. Keep distance within stable range. Step 3. Slow internet speed. Even with iMesh, speed may drop. Fix: enable Smart Connect. Go to Settings, then go to Wireless, then enable Smart Connect. Use 5 GHz for faster speed. Limit 2.4 GHz usage for low-speed devices. Step 4. Devices not switching between nodes. Devices may stick to one router. Fix: restart your device. Go ahead and disable and enable Wi-Fi. iMesh handles roaming, but some devices are slow to switch. Step 5. Setup fails or freezes. This is usually firmware related. Fix: update firmware on all routers. Restart both routers. Try setup again. Do not interrupt during pairing. Step 6. Weak signal, even after setup. This is a placement issue. Fix: place node in middle location. Not too far from main router, not too close either. Balanced placement gives best coverage. Step 7. Too many nodes causing issues. More is not always better. Fix: use minimum required nodes. Too many routers can cause interference. Step 8. Advanced fix: use wired backhaul. Wireless connection can be unstable. Fix: connect routers using Ethernet cable. This gives stable and maximum speed, best for large homes. Step 9. Reset and rebuild iMesh network. If nothing works, start fresh. Reset all routers, set up again step by step. This solves most hidden issues. Step 10. You should reduce signal interference. Nearby devices can affect signal. Keep routers away from microwave, TV, and other electronics. Avoid crowded Wi-Fi channels to improve your speed. If your AiMesh still has problems, write your issue in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Fix these common issues properly, and your AiMesh network will run fast, stable, and smooth.